Good morning. Uh, Law of interpretation says wherever the words are understandable, and it should be understandable only to the literal and dictionary sense and being commonly used. Then the next is if the legislation wants to give more emphasis on that particular word, then they may give definition, restriction, explanations, provision. So that is law of interpretation. And the judgment which I am going to refer today is pertaining to tax matter. But however, if you go through the judgment, you can understand how life support instruments, oxygens, nitrogens are being used by the hospital authorities and other clinical authorities. The case was whether that oxygen is medicine or substance being used for medicines, which is taxable under schedule of general sales tax, and other acts are there, Essential Commodity Act and other things are also discussed. If you are interested in understanding the law, go through the judgment. If you are interested in only general knowledge, you must go through the judgment, which will facilitate you to understand the clinical process of the emergent patients being attended. AR 2020 Supreme Court 2148, State of Andhra Pradesh, Linde India Limited. Here Andhra Pradesh Value Added Tax, what? Drugs and Cosmetics Act, Section 3B1, Essential Commodity Act, Section 10 of 1955, Drugs Price Control Order 2013, Para 2T. These all are the taxable goods, drugs and medicine, medical oxygen IP, nitrous oxide IP are medicines used in diagnosis, treatment, mitigation or prevention of any disease or disorder in human beings. Falls within the ambit of Section 3B1 of 1948 and taxable at the rate of 4% or 5% under entry of 88 Schedule 4 of 2005 Act. So that is the ratio. See, Linde Limited being assessed by commercial tax officer Gujuwaka, Dwarka Nagar Circle. He was engaged, the company was engaged in manufacturing, trading industrial gases as well as medical oxygen IP and nitrous oxide IP. The tax was imposed on 5 lakhs and so he filed an appeal before appellate deputy commissioner, and that was assessment order was confirmed. Then they went to sale tax appeal. By relying Andhra Pradesh judgment in Enoxar Product Limited was assistant commissioner allowed the appeal. The appellant appeal before the High Court for so and so state was dismissed, then before the Supreme Court. So I will read relevant. They say drugs covers within the ambit any substance which is used or for in the treatment, prevention and mitigation of disease or disorder. They say it is also being used for human beings as well as animals also. Then they have discussed about used for or in. That was also interpreted deeply. If you are if you want to enlarge your knowledge in interpretation, go through that particular paragraph and be equipped with that. Then they say several courts uniformly held that medical oxygen, IP and nitrous oxide are medicines. That was referred under paragraph 8. Then they have discussed about Schedule 5 of Act 2005. Goods are how it was being taxed. they say the definition of a drug is comprehensive enough to take it in not only medicine but also substance intended to be used for or in the treatment of disease of human beings or animals. So drug is not only a medicines but also is any substance being used. So that was deeply discussed at various paragraphs. Then they say the Act 1940 did not define medicine. Therefore, they took the dictionary meaning. The words of statutes are first understood in their natural, ordinary or popular sense, and phrases and sentences are construed according to their grammatical meaning. Then they have discussed about Black's Law Dictionary, and they also discussed about Cambridge Dictionary and what all are the dictionary to be followed. Then finally what had happened? They say medical oxygen is also administered in resuscitation, major trauma, anaphylaxis, major hemorrhage, shock and active convulsion, amongst other conditions. Therefore, you can, being a human being or member of family, should understand what all are these things. Then inhalation and anesthesia also they have discussed. World Health Organization publication, model prescribing information, drug used in anesthesia, that was also discussed. Finally, they say it was not seriously disputed that medical oxygen and oxygen IP and nitrous oxide IP subserve a medical purpose. Therefore, they upheld the judgment of High Court, and other things are left out for discussion. So, it may help you if you understand what all are the process, how this, why this oxygen is used, why nitrous oxide is being used for anesthesia purpose. So, if any excess anesthesia is given, that tantamount to medical negligence. For medical negligence, you have to see Paramananda Katara, Jacob and Matthew. These cases are most important. Bolam test case. Bolam test case is the basics for medical negligence, wherein the doctors are protected that they are allowed to use innovative methods to treat the patients. In Bolam case, they have treated a psycho patient without tying his hands and given current shock. Subsequently collapsed. But the Bolam test case says that it is up to doctor, unless and until they are allowed to practice innovative methods, the medical field may not be progress to save the life, because they want to know, the doctors want to know if it is possible to give electric shock even without tying hands. So, because tying hands may also give pressure, blood pressure and other nerve or neurogenic problems. So, I would like you to go through the entirety of judgment. Probably this judgment may help you in deciding, writing district judges examination. May not be helpful for other purposes, but it will equip you. Logically, it will definitely help you to understand how medical treatments are being given on emergent basis, and there is always imputation against the doctors that unnecessarily they are giving oxygen immediately when rich people are approaching doctors, or the doctors are in need of heavy money. But if you go through the judgment, how this oxygen treats apart from inhaling and exhaling, That will be most important to understand. Best wishes. Good morning.